You're still at it, rushing out the door without a game-changing tool by your side. You've got that one level you just can't beat, but the visuals are all wrong, standard monitors leaving those epic sunset moments lost in the shadows. That's where the 34-inch ultra-wide curved comes in, a window to your victory. It was built from scratch to bring games to life like never before. Notice how vivid colors pop on this thing. That's because of its 350 candelas per square meter brightness and 127% sRGB coverage, creating an immersive experience that draws you right into the game. The contrast is insane, with a 3000:1 ratio, every detail stands out in glorious relief. HDR10 technology takes it to the next level, making those deep shadows feel like they're right there with you. The result? A visual feast that's hard to put down. You'll be so absorbed in the game, you won't even notice you're gaming, just completely lost in the action. But what really sets this monitor apart is its smooth performance. With a 180Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync tech, there's zero screen tearing or lag to mess with your focus. It's like having a personal gaming coach, ensuring every frame is perfect. You'll feel the rush of competition, but also the satisfaction of precise control. And when you connect it all up, HDMI 2.0, X2, DisplayPort 1. 4, X2, and Audio Out X1, you've got a versatile setup that's ready for anything. Plus, with wall mounting compatibility and a worry-free 1-year warranty, this monitor just makes sense. The window to your victory started with a quest for pure immersion, and this 34-inch ultra-wide curve delivers it in spades. Don't let your gaming or work sessions be mediocre, get the best window into victory tomorrow morning, and start conquering those challenges like never before. But here's the thing, you don't have to break the bank to experience this level of immersion. We know it's tempting to shell out top dollar for a fancy monitor that might not even meet your needs. But let's be real, those expensive alternatives are often just that, overpriced alternatives. They might have more features, but they're also more likely to drive you crazy with their complicated settings and mediocre performance. Take the Acer Predator XB273K, for example. It's a behemoth of a monitor, with 27 inches of curved screen real estate and a whopping 144Hz refresh rate. But at $1,500, it's a serious investment, one that might leave you feeling like you're just throwing money at the wall to see what sticks. And let's not forget about the more budget-friendly options, which often sacrifice performance for the sake of price. Not on our watch. The 34-inch ultra-wide curved is the real deal, a monitor that delivers top-notch performance and features without breaking the bank. You'll get the same level of immersion and satisfaction as those pricier alternatives, but with a fraction of the cost. In fact, if you factor in the cost of peripherals like graphics cards or gaming mice, which can often be a major drain on your wallet, our monitor starts to look like an absolute steal. And let's not forget about the value of your time, when you're having so much fun playing games that you don't even notice you're gaming anymore, thanks to that 180Hz refresh rate and AMD FreeSync tech, every penny counts. The bottom line is this, if you want a monitor that will take your gaming or work sessions to the next level, without breaking the bank, look no further. The 34-inch ultra-wide curved is the perfect solution, an affordable, feature-packed monitor that's ready to help you conquer any challenge that comes your way. So what are you waiting for? Don't settle for mediocre visuals and laggy performance. Get your hands on this amazing monitor today and start experiencing the thrill of victory like never before. Your wallet and your inner gamer will thank you.